at this cool game. Do it gentle. Okay, hold on. Let's do slow motion. Oh, what's the matter, Lexi? What is that? I found it at Cracker Barrel. I don't even know what it's called because it was the only one left. It was the demo. We had to have it. What do you think, girls? Cool. It's really neat, right? Isn't it neat?
Gracie lost her first tooth.
Yeah, she sure did. And woo! What's the matter, Gracie? Oh, look at that! Kick it, honey.
Hands.
All right, kiddo. Cool.